to this video. If you have been importing products or sourcing products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, or you find it difficult to navigate the app as a result of language barrier, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can simply use your 1688 Chinese shopping app in English language without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Tawa, pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to source your product from pinduoduo, Chinese shopping app, or Tawa, or any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on how to use 1688 Chinese shopping app in English language with easy. So let's find out. So this first experiment is for Android phone user. The second experiment is going to be for iPhone user. So stay tuned. For every Android user, make sure you go to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Play Store. Then after you open up your Play Store, click on search app and then make sure you type in iDictionary. Click on search. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to open up the app. So it's going to open up like so. As at the time of making this video, 10 million plus have downloaded, successfully installed the app on their Android phone. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on install right here. After you have successfully download the app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open right here. That's going to take you right here. Please give us one permission before you start. Click on open. The next thing you need to do is to give permission right here. And for you to do that, simply look for iDictionary. So continue to scroll down until you see iDictionary. You need to scroll down. iDictionary. So here we go. Simply turn on this particular button. It's that simple. Then go back. Then click on allow right here. And you are successfully into the app. Once you have successfully entered the app, the interface is going to look like this. So what we want to do now is to see how we can use this app to translate to English language on our 1688 shopping app. First thing for, make sure you click on look up right here. When you click on look up, this is going to pop up. Then by default, you have two languages right here, which is Hindi and English language. So what you need to do is to make sure you change the language right here. Click on here and make sure you change this to Chinese. Click on Chinese, and then the second language is going to be English language. If you don't want to translate to English language, click on here and select the preferred language you want to translate into. And by default, it is going to turn on. So once it's turned on, it means that the app is ready to be used. What we want to do now is to exit from here, and then we have to head over to our 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. I'm going to click on here. So click on 1688 shopping app, allow it to load up by default. Now, when you install the app on your phone, you are going to see the app icon from one side on your phone. So on my phone right here, the app is found right here. So it might not be in this type of corner on your phone. It might be in any corner. Just make sure you look on the screen of your phone and look for the icon of that particular app. Now, let's see how we can use this. There are two ways to use this app to translate into English language. One of the first way, you can simply drag and take it to the language right here and set a permission. Click on set permission right here. And then from here, look for iDictionary. So right here is off. Click on it and make sure you use and make sure you allow right here. That's simple. Then we can simply go back now. Go back. Then we have to drag again and take it to the Chinese character. In a few seconds, it's going to translate into Chinese, just like what you see right here. But if it is very tiny like this and find it difficult to read, what you can do here is to simply click on the product link. Let's for instance, I'm going to click on this product link. It open up like so. Then we can drag it again and take it right here. Then after we open up the product link, next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to the product sales page. Then we have everything right here. Now we can use this particular translation again and see some of the area we need to translate. Let's say for instance we want to know what is written right here in English language. You can see store return rate is 67.9. Then let's check on this. This one states store positive rating, which is 94.8. You can scroll down and use this as the case may be. One more thing here is that you can use this particular app to translate the whole page right here into English language. How do you do that? Simply click on the app icon and this is going to pump up. Select global translation. It's going to scan the whole page and everything is going to be fully translated into English language, just like what you see right here. From here, you can read. Once you read and understand what is written in a certain area, you'll be able to know where to go next. It's that simple. So this is for every Android phone user. And this second experiment is for both Android phone user and iPhone user. So let's find out. Let's say for instance, we can use this particular page right here as an example. So I want to know what is written on this particular page right here in English language or whatever language of my choice. It is a very simple step to follow. Step one, make a screenshot of the page, just like so. Having made a screenshot of the page, we can simply exit from 1688 shopping app now. Then we have to head over to our Chrome browser. So head over to your Chrome browser. I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here. So after you open up your Chrome browser, click on this plus sign to create a new tab. Next thing you need to do is to click on this icon right here to open up the camera device. So this is also known as Google Image Reverse. But in this category, what we need here is the translate section. Click on translate. Then after click on translate, select your screenshot. So I'm going to select this screenshot right here. Then in a few seconds, everything is going to be translated successful into English language, just like what you see right here. And one very good thing here is that you can zoom, and then be able to read everything in each of the category right here. Then from here, you can apply this method here to know where you need to click, what you need to read, and what you need to understand as far as the screenshot on the sales page is concerned. One more thing here is that you can literally translate to whatever language of your choice from this particular screenshot right here. And for you to do that, simply click on English right here. When you click on English, it's going to pop up here. Then you have so many languages right here. The more you scroll down, the more different type of languages is going to load up. Then from here, you can simply download and choose any of the language that you want to use right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to translate from Chinese into German. I'm going to simply select German. In a few seconds, everything will be changed automatically into German language, just like what you see right here. From Chinese to German, I can switch back to Chinese to English, just like so. In a few seconds, everything turned back. One very great thing about this trick here is that you can simply listen to the translation. If you don't want to hurry, click on listen right here. This allows you to listen to everything, just like so. So once you're done, then one more thing here is that you can copy or extract the text. Click on select all and copy the text, and then you can also swipe this way and then click on the share icon right here, which allow you to download the screenshot into your phone gallery. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply use your 1688 Chinese shopping app in English language, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.